teaching the kids the lungi dance. The first step is mucho ko thoda, mustaches, mucho ko thoda, round, hands in front of the legs and rotate the hands same direction and the hip also in the circle. So do it again, mucho ko thoda, round घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के. It's an easy step, अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के, hands near the eyes. मुझको को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के. कोको, कोको is one side chop and the other side is, left side is nut. Again it chopping coco, nut में लस्सी. Make the thumb like suppose we are drinking lassi, right leg up, लस्सी मिला के. Okay, do it again. कोको नट में लस्सी मिला के. आ जाओ right hand back. आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के shimmer. All the Rajni fans. Next step is left hand front with a paw, right hand back, and it is a reverse step. Hands are pushing downwards and leg is up. Do it again. Push hands down and right leg up. All the reverse. Rajni, now right hand is front. Do it again. All the Rajni fans. 3 times you have to do. Talaiva, it's a jump and loud. Talaiva, hand open. Don't miss that chance. Don't miss. Same, we are saying don't with the finger, and the foot movement is like that. Look at the foot. First the right heel in, then left heel in, then right heel in, then again the left heel in. So 4 times. So don't miss that chance. Try to shake your neck. Do the expression with the neck also. 1, 2, 3, start. Don't miss that chance. Talaiva. Again, repeat all the Rajni fans. All the Rajni fans. Talaiva. Don't miss that chance. Who's this? Scissor step. Like jumping, like scissor type of step. Do it again. Who's this? Lungi dance, lungi dance, lungi dance, lungi dance. The lungi dance step is starting from left side. Hand stopping 4 times. Lungi dance, lungi dance, lungi dance, lungi dance. And the last lungi dance step is hold the bottom, right foot touch the left knee. Okay, do it. Lungi dance, lungi dance, lungi dance, lungi dance. Like 4 times. Right foot touch the left knee and left foot touch the right knee. Do it 4 times. Right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot. Do it. So practice till this part. I am doing it again once more. मुझको को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के. All the Rajni fans. Talaiva. Don't miss that chance. Talaiva. All the Rajni fans. Talaiva. Don't miss that chance. Who's this? Lungi dance, 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 lungi dance. And the last step is throw the right leg towards left side. Lungi dance 2 times. Do it again. Lungi dance, tap 2 times in the front body. Lungi dance, other side. Lungi dance, lungi dance. Again, lungi dance, and it is 3 times. Do it. So last round is lungi dance, 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 and shimmer your body. Shimmer. And the next step is disco me. Now the same step like coconut, but both hands are same side, right side. Chop the hands. Chopping step with both the hands. Do it little far so that people can see. Far, hands away from body. Disco में जब ये गाना बजेगा. Same steps like coconut. Chopping right side, disco. Chopping left side. Gana, microphone step, leg lift like lassi step. Okay, so do it. Disco में जब ये गाना बजेगा. On the floor, touch the floor with right hand. On the floor. See, legs are open, and as you lift the hand up, legs close to each other. Like, do it one more time. On the floor again. आना पड़ेगा lungi. Hold your bottom and twist. Yeah, lungi ko hold the lungi and just twist on the toes again. Lungi ko uthana padega. So again, uthana padega is jumping right, left and back, and jumping this side and back. Lungi ko uthana padega. Step करके right hand front, step करके twist your hand, दिखाना पड़ेगा. Same step, hand is going down and leg is going up. Step करके दिखाना पड़ेगा. Again, all the Rajini fans, the live, don't miss that chance, the live. All the Rajini fans, the live, don't miss that chance. Who's this? Lungi dance, 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 na 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 na, lungi dance, lungi dance. And then after this point, all the men or boys jump out of the stage and do this. Na 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 na. And the kids who are on the stage, they keep on doing this step, shimmer the body. This step. They do themselves, they do with their partners, whatever they want. It is like Bharat type free dance. People who get out of the stage, they dance as the person in the audience respond the same way you dance with. It is a completely freestyle. Thank you so much. Watch the video and practice at home.